Lovely to have your company today. This is Esther at Stampin Star Creations with a colour challenge set by SU Colour Challenge on Facebook. So some gorgeous colours I'm using today. Now I realised when I've come to edit this video that somehow I've managed to lose some video, but hopefully you can catch up where I've left off and get the gist of what I'm doing. So I created a grey granite background with the foliage from Forever Fern, and I used the rest of the colours from the challenge to create some cut out die shapes, which I'm then adding to my card and tucking behind that circle with the sentiment in it. It was so nice to use some different colours with this set rather than just your traditional green colours. So we've got petal pink and old olive and blackberry bliss. So just figuring out where the foliage is going to lay, and then I've introduced butterfly Gala, and I blended the colours onto the butterflies and just punched those out, and I've lifted them up with, I'm going to lift those up with dimensionals and just adding in the little ones as well. So I've stuck half of the butterfly down and then just giving it more dimension to the wings and then to the ends of the foliage with some dimensionals, some mini dimensionals at the ends. Just adding a little bit of sparkle to the butterflies with some Wink of Stella, and then adding in some sequins also to make this a really kind of luxurious card. I decided it just felt a little bit white around the edges, so I'm introducing a bit of sponging around the edges with this brush and just going in with some blackberry bliss. And there you have it. I'm sorry that this video is so short and quick, but hopefully you get a gist of what I've done and how I created this card. Please do subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to catch my other videos, and you can join along too with the colour challenge on Facebook at SU Colour Challenge. Thank you so much for watching along. Take care.